Welcome to the very first video of my channel. So guys, we will start from a very basic program in JavaScript here. So let's see how a JavaScript program is run. So guys, this is a HTML template and I'm gonna create HTML and we'll see how we can use JavaScript inside HTML. So I've created HTML tag and inside body I'm gonna add a script tag. So you can use script tag to run JavaScript inside an HTML. So earlier we used to mention script type in HTML4, but this is deprecated now, and there was an another attribute also called language, which used to specify language for the script, but we don't need that as well as we are using HTML5. So here is the script tag, and inside that tag I'm gonna put a simple alert and I'll print it as hello world. So now the script tag contains the JavaScript code which is automatically executed when browser processes this tag. Now I'm gonna run this and you can see the alert is popped up here saying hello world. So this is how a simple JavaScript is run. Apart from this, you can also put this tag inside head like this. So I'm gonna copy it and paste it here. Let's see what happens when you keep it inside head and run. Hello world, hello world. So it ran two times because I have kept it inside head also. So guys, there are different reasons why we keep script in head and when we need to keep it inside body tag. We will learn that later, but yeah, so there are various places where you can put this script tag and run a simple JavaScript program. Okay guys, hope you like this video. Stay tuned for more such videos and please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.